Wallace, are you ready? Come on, you can do it.
For as long as I can remember, I've loved waterfalls. And now, I get to experience waterfalls unlike none other. Where To Wallace, 27 charcos of the Damajagua in the Dominican Republic. Birthday celebration.
Hey, hello.
Oh, hey, there we go. Yeah, about to put on these water shoes.
All right.
Let's do it. Tell me, what do you know about jumping in the waterfalls? Man, we're about to see it all, man. Yeah, I got a little wet, but we ain't done nothing yet, so we're gonna climb on up this thing. That's how it goes down. Let's go.
Yeah.
There we go.
Meet Gonzalo, my tour cameraman and newfound friend.
5 Dominican minutes to get to the top. It's like 45 to American minutes.
Are you ready? Yes.
I kept asking myself, what am I getting into? Then when I had my first sliding experience, I was like, ah! Yeah, this is the one. Then I saw a Dominican elephant, and that 45-minute walk along the way was pretty intense. Cause I mean, we still walking, man, and we keep going. Surely somebody about to fall out. Probably gonna be me.
Wallace, yeah, iniciamos. No more tequila for you. Come on, Wallace. Yeah, well, you can do it. 5 more Dominican minutes.
Yeah, that's right.
And thanks to my tour guide / water taxi, I made it through this dive.
Guys, we're knocking down the waterfalls. Yeah, I'm still learning how to swim.
La bañera.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do it. Here we go. No me eche llave. Ahí.
Relax. You wanna catch you?
Yeah, I'm good.
You drink water like a water machine. Oh my God.
One, 2, 3, go!
What a thrilling adventure. And when we're all loving and supportive of each other, well, I guess you could say we all win.
Wallace, come on, go think about it.
At this moment, I realized that I've been pushed, and I still don't know how to swim. Is no one listening?
Wallace! Let's do it! 12 more waterfall. Oh, you swim like a fish.
I love that.
How do you feel, guys?
I feel like I need to learn how to swim. Okay.
Yeah.
This feels wonderful, man.
No sé qué marihuana.
Here, we are eating some of the sweetest fresh mango that we found on our hike.
Hey guys, you see this right here? This is
Coupe,
Coupe.
yeah.
Coupe. Coupe is very beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, Wallace, what's up? How do you feel?
Man, I feel great. This is wonderful. Still alive.
For as long as I can remember, I've loved, well, waterfalls. And still today, the same holds true.
Wallace! Repeat again? He tried to kill me.
Where To Wallace, guys. That's how we do it. Don't be afraid of anything. Don't be afraid to live your life. Love your life. And each other, man. Keep going on this.
Yes. 1, 2, 3. Damajagua! Here we go.
As we conclude this adventure, we take you to bird calls from our guide. Join the show by subscribing for more of Where To Wallace.